exercise for Year 10 Methods Pathways. We're going to look at exercise 10.6, question 2. Okay, so in a particular electorate, 65% of the voted population do not own any property. And it's also 55% of property owners support the Progressive Conservative Party, but 40% of them, non-property owners, support this party. Okay, so we've got a scenario where we have property owners and we have property non-owners, or people that don't own property. And we know that they either support the party or not support the party. So I'm going to draw a very simple two-way table, probability diagram. I know the total of any probability diagram or probability table is 1. Okay. Now, you got to read this very carefully. 65% of the voted population do not have any property. So what that means is 65% of the population do not own any property. So do not own property column must be 0.65. So the rest must be, so here, the people that do own property must be 0.35. So that's our base. We've got to start from here. We now read the rest. It is also known that 55% of the property owners support the Progressive Party. So of the people that own property, so of the people that own property, 0.35, of the 0.35, 55%, so 55% of 0.35 support the party. Okay, so here, if I were to fill this in, you just need to find 55% of 0.35, and this is how you do it. You literally go, I'll clear this, 0.55, so 55% the same as 0.55, times 0.35, you get 1925. Okay, so let's go 1.1925. Now the good thing is about tables is, of these probability tables, is I know that plus that gives you that. So to get this value, you just subtract 0.1925 from 0.35. So you go 0.35 minus 0.1925, 0.1575. Okay, so that's 0.1575. Now the other piece of information, but only 40% of the non-property owners support this party. So of the non-property owners, so non-property owners is 60.65, of that, only 40% support this party. So 40% of 0.65, I'll write that properly, 40% of 0.65, let's work that out. So 40% of 0.65, 0.4 times 0.65, because you want 40% of 0.65, 0.26. Okay, so that's 0.26. Okay, so 0.26 out of the 0.65 support the party, the non-property owners. Okay, so to work out the missing square, you just go 0.65 minus 0.26. 0.65 minus 0.26, so you get 0.39. 39, and to work out these two, you just simply add the rows together. So 0.1925 plus 0.26 and 0.1575 plus 0.39. Okay, 0.4525 and 5475. 4525.5475, I believe. Let's double check. Sometimes. Okay, good. Now, the fun begins. We've done the table, and we want to find the probability that a randomly selected voter from the electorate. Okay, let's read this carefully. We want to find the probability that a random selected voter from this electorate does not own property. If you know is the same as given, if you know that they support the Progressive Conservative Party. So we know that we're given that they support the party. Support the party means this row, okay? We know that they support the party, so that limits our sample space to that red, that yellow row. So we know given that they supports the party, what's the probability that that does not own property, so property dash. So given that they support the party, so the probability of them supporting the party is overall is 0.5425. It's the total here. And out of the yellow, what's the probability that they don't own property? So don't own property means P dash, right? Not own property, 0.26. Let's work this out. So we get 0.26, so I need my CAS calculator, 0.26 divided by 0.4525, so 0.575. Okay, it doesn't, okay, 2 decimal places, so 0.57. 0.57, and we're done. So the key was you needed to draw the table, identify your values given there, and you need to take percentages of those values to work out the other boxes, and the rest is easy because you're just adding and subtracting to get the rest of the table. Okay, and obviously there's a conditional probability component. You just need to know how to find what the given is the new total, and out of that new total you find out what you want. So we wanted the non-property owners in the yellow, so it's 0.26 divided by 0.4525, which is the total, so you get 0.057. Hopefully that helps. I know it can get a bit confusing, but you know, as long as you follow the process, it should be generally okay.